This guide will help you download invoices on the FourKites platform efficiently. Follow these steps to ensure you can access and save your invoices without any hassle. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the FourKites website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have the correct username and password to access your accounts. Step 2. Navigate to the Invoices section. Once logged in, locate the navigation menu. Find and click on the Invoices section to view all available invoices associated with your account. Step 3. Select the invoice. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Download the invoice. Look for the download option, usually represented by a download icon or a download button. Click on it to initiate the download process for the selected invoice. Step 5. Save the invoice. Choose the location on your device where you want to save the invoice file. Confirm the save action, and your invoice will be downloaded and stored on your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your invoices from FourKites. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to FourKites support for assistance.